The budget announcement brings the focus on full tax exemption to those who earn up to 12 lakh rupees per annum. But there is widespread confusion because of the tax slabs. The explanation is fairly simple. The tax slabs come into play only if your income is more than 12 lakh rupees. Let's take an example. If your salary is rupees 15 lakh, then you'll be taxable. So how will the tax be calculated in the case? Now we have to break down the income into the tax slabs as mentioned in the budget. From that 15 lakh rupees, the standard deduction of 75,000 rupees needs to be deducted. So the income for tax calculation will be 14.25 lakh rupees. The first 4 lakhs of the 14.25 lakhs, there is no tax. On the remaining balance of 10.25 lakh rupees, the next 4 lakhs you pay 5%. Similarly, for the next 4 lakhs of the remaining 6.25 lakh rupees, you pay about 10%. For the balance 2.25 lakh rupees, you pay 15%. So for an income of 15 lakh rupees, the total tax burden will be 93,750 rupees. Now listen to what our expert Mukesh Bhutani, the managing partner of BMR Legal, has to say on this.
Reduction on the tax liability. Let me just, and there are many features in it. Let me just give you a couple of examples of it. As of today, you get to a maximum marginal rate of 30% when you have income above 15 lakhs. Now you get into the maximum marginal rate of 30% if you have income of 24 lakhs. Second, there is a new rate introduced in place of 5, 10, 15, 20, and 30. There is a 25% rate of tax for income between 20 and 24 lakhs. And then when you go upwards, there is a reduction in the slabs at all levels. So virtually everyone, whose income is above 15 lakhs will benefit from the slab rate changes.
All right, so that is what the experts have to say about how people will be taxed. It now remains to be seen as to how much of an impact this has on private consumption. Because remember, there have been many reports, including that of the RBI, that consumption has gone down in India, which had been a cause of concern for the government. This was one of the issues that the Finance Minister had wanted to address as part of this budget, put more money, more disposable income into the hands of the average Indian, especially those who pay taxes and whose taxes get deducted at source. For many, many years, remember, the middle class used to be extremely unhappy after the budget, saying that the heavy lifting of the revenues was done by the middle class that used to pay taxes, but they got nothing in return. And this time round, the Finance Minister seems to have taken that feedback seriously. And it's a pretty rare occasion that the middle tax-paying class today is smiling and is also eating sweets, probably after the announcement that more disposable money will be in the pockets of the common man. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.